thing to not do when launching or relaunching Teamerage. First mistake, don't wait to try to line up all the ducks before starting. We fall into this trap of analysis paralysis. I'm going to give you 2 best practices to start with. Step 1, find that lead source. Step 2, find the agent. In the very beginning, just start with an agent, just one. That's all you need. You'll grow it as time goes. Let's move into number 2, going too big from day one. Don't go too big all at once. If you are expecting a result right away, this will fail. Stay the course. Stick with the agents, stick with the leads, stick with the follow-up, track it throughout and see the growth. You will start seeing some small successes within that first 90 days. The true success is going to come within that first year. Talk about the 3rd mistake to avoid, not having a signed agreement. You don't need a full Teamerage agreement, but you need something in writing. You need something that says, what do we expect of you as an agent? What should you expect of us as your leadership team? And what are the splits going to be? Do not hand a lead to an agent without them signing something. Moving on to the 4th, who is your who? You do not have to have the exact person in place today to start. You will eventually need that director of lead gen, director of sales, director of Teamerage. So if you have a coach, your coach is a key person. 5th mistake to avoid, biggest mistake of all. We constantly hear those who control the leads and appointments control the market. We go, okay, in the next 30 days, how do I find one lead source to start with to give the agents what they want? And as we focus on the agent, the win-win automatically happens because the market center revenue will grow. Increasing brokerage profitability, MOFR, get them in person. That lands them almost every time. Retention, they're producing, they're happy, we're giving them things. They're not leaving. And then they're becoming your raving fans. They're telling other people.